Bugsy Siegel, originally hailing from Brooklyn, New York, made a dramatic impact on the criminal landscape of California. This video explores Siegel's journey from his early years in the East Coast to his prominent role in shaping organized crime in California, focusing on his influential role in the development of Las Vegas and his violent demise. Early life and rise in the underworld. Born on February 28, 1906, Bugsy Siegel started his criminal career as a youth involved in street gangs and petty crimes. Over time, he became associated with prominent mob figures such as Meyer Lansky and Frank Costello, who recognized his ambition and business acumen. Venturing west, the birth of Las Vegas. In the late 1930s, Siegel expanded his criminal activities to the West Coast, particularly California. Alongside his associates, he saw an opportunity to capitalize on the emerging gambling and entertainment industry, which led him to focus on the desert town of Las Vegas, Nevada. Siegel became instrumental in the development of the famous Flamingo Hotel and Casino, which aimed to transform Las Vegas into a luxurious tourist destination. The Flamingo Hotel and Casino. Siegel's vision for the Flamingo Hotel was grand and ambitious, featuring lavish accommodations, upscale dining, and top-notch entertainment. However, the project faced numerous setbacks, including cost overruns and construction delays, prompting skepticism from his partners and associates. Siegel's determination to make the Flamingo a success pushed him into using questionable methods to fund the project, further entangling him in the criminal underworld. Siegel's violent demise. Despite its eventual success and profitability, the Flamingo proved to be Siegel's downfall. In June 1947, Siegel was gunned down in his girlfriend's Beverly Hills home. The motives behind his assassination remain subject to speculation, with theories ranging from tension within organized crime circles to financial disagreements. His violent death marked the end of an era and left a lasting legacy in both California's criminal history and the development of Las Vegas. Impact on organized crime. Bugsy Siegel's activities in California had a profound impact on organized crime. His ventures in Las Vegas paved the way for future mob involvement in the city, solidifying a connection between organized crime and the gambling industry. The Flamingo Hotel became a symbol of the mob's influence over entertainment and gambling, leaving an indelible mark on the Las Vegas Strip. Cultural legacy. Siegel's life and legacy have been portrayed in various films and books, contributing to his enduring romanticized image as a charismatic and daring figure. His reputation as a charming gangster seeking glamour and fortune has been both celebrated and vilified, making him a fascinating subject in popular culture. Conclusion. Bugsy Siegel's transformation from a Brooklyn gangster to a prominent figure in California's organized crime and casino operations left an indelible mark on America's criminal history. His vision and influence shaped Las Vegas and established it as a gambling capital. While his violent end cut short his trajectory, Siegel's name remains synonymous with the rise of organized crime in California and the enduring allure of the Las Vegas Strip.